Okay, gang, welcome back. For this episode, I thought I'd just pivot back onto some of the sort of mistakes we tend to get with the online systems, especially when it comes to ChatGPT and your thinking partners. Anyway, I'm Warren. I was Pope Kale. This is Garage Alchemy. Not only are we going to be building a second brain, but we're going to be sort of covering all the things that seem to go wrong when you try to do the simple things. This is real life. This is how it really works. So let's move it right along. Where did this conversation start? Well, I was working on a particular part of the project. I started out, gave her, put basically the last 3 months or 90 days of YouTube data for this channel into the system. And I said, like, we really need to sort of, start, getting a focus of where we're going, making sure that, we have an idea of our direction. Yeah, this is part of the bug I'm sort of actually trying to explain at the moment. So we'll get there in a minute. But in fact, it is. We're just basically talking about where we're going and our particular philosophy in the channel and sort of how it all fits in with the project and so on and so forth. I tend to do these little conversations. They just help me, correct my direction for the day. So then I asked her to sort of, like, well, we've got this whole project happening. I'd like to look at some stages, and some project outlines to put this thing together in some sort of visual format so that I can put it on my wall. And then I get this thing. Still doing it, of course, as you can see even now. And it's having a bit of trouble there. We go, okay, well, it's failed. So I pivoted a little bit, sort of see if we can, maybe give it more information. Maybe it was it was too loose of a in part to go to DALI, because that's where the image generator happens. But and so we broke it down more into the stages and parts of where we're going, and the whole idea of the project. And I said, well, okay, create that image. And no, okay, well, is there something we're missing? Create that image. Okay, what's broken? And that was her reply her reply.
From what I can see, it's almost certainly not your prompt. What's happening is that my image generation requests aren't actually being executed. They're failing before an image is returned, which usually points to one of these: a temporary issue with the image generation service, a backend timeout or outage, a bug in the current session. If it were your prompt, I'd normally still get an image back, perhaps with odd formatting or missing elements. Here, I'm not getting anything at all. The good news is that your request itself is straightforward. An A4 portrait infographic with 5 rounded bubble stages is exactly the sort of thing the image generator handles well when it's healthy. My suggestion is to wait a few minutes and try again, or start a fresh chat if it continues. If it's a transient backend issue, that often clears it. In the meantime, we can refine the design so it's ready to go. I'm picturing something like this.
Anyway, we won't go into the actual overall design. We have a bit more of an idea what we wanted to do. So then I said, okay, well, let's just pivot a little bit. Give me a prompt that I can take somewhere else. So we basically designed something, and all I did was just take all that, and I then cut and paste that into some other engines. And so just quickly, while I just lay out those images for you. Yeah, so I ran it through Gemini. I got that image out of Gemini. I think I then went over to Quen, and Quen then sort of gave me sort of this image. And I'm going, oh, we got something. But I was noticing some, like if we really drill into this thing here, um, there were some oddities in some of the formatting. So yeah, I went over there to, I think this one here came from, well, I can't remember who it came from. It was Gemini. That one might have been Meta. It gave me a few options. This is the one that looked the nicest. And again, there was, you know, two turn knowledge into the turn knowledge. Yeah. Little wicco to some real oddities in these images. That's again something I'm not used to seeing when I look at. I go through the ChatGPT outputs and I get a bit of a fine tooth. Is every spelling right, or to my knowledge, right? Look, I can't spell for shit anyway, but that's another story. But then of course I went over to my Leonardo, and it spat the dummy at the first try. So I just said, look, just use the automatic image generator, and it put this out. Now, what caught my eye was this was from GPT Image 2. And okay, scratched my head there for a minute. Now, come on, what am I missing? I think I'm missing something here. So I went back and I then sent those 4 images in, and I sort of said, well, there's something going on. I didn't really get too fussed with it. So I was taking a bit of a second, thought about the whole thing. Well, let's just pivot. Let's just package up that last video, because really what we were waiting for that last video to do all its final, whatever it does in the background. And so I grabbed the transcript from the video and we just got ready to package that thing up. We went through the whole process, and the chapters, tags, description, really sounds quite well. I think they covered, but he had packaged it up quite nicely, going, yes, okay, so, well, yeah, okay, bit of a pivot there to a side thing about putting the GitHub into, the actual description, because, people might want to see the link. And again, choosing some images out of my library to stitch together a thumbnail, and it completely failed. Okay, well, it did say, well, try a new chat. So I went over to start a new chat, and here again, there's something really going on. So I basically sent it the markdown file from the last chat, and again, the odds and ends we need for the bits and pieces. I don't know why I sent it the MP4 file. That's the rotating background, but didn't matter. It still managed to fail, and I'm going, well, what to do? I really don't think I really want to take the whole thumbnail creation to one of the other engines. So I just said, well, okay, I think I closed the whole session down, walked away for 10 minutes, came back. I still probably do need a coffee on that matter, but that's up to you guys when you start to think about it. You can shout me the coffee, it's all good. So anyway, I came back to the browser and I go, well, right, maybe there's something broken in the chat sessions to the image generator. So I went over here to, I think there's some more. There's the images here. Clicked on that button and I'm going, what's going on here? Right, that was something I did. Yeah, what was that? And so these are the infographics that she failed on. Roadmap 5 stages. Again, when I compare these, like I haven't zoomed in on these ones, but these look absolutely brilliant. But, well, obviously she didn't fail. She failed to retrieve the result, I think is a perfect thing. But it goes to show, anyway, that was the final thumbnail. Anyway, I thought I'd just, again, show you some of the tribulations or trials. Is that even the right word? I don't know. We all get problems when we start working with these sort of things. And as again, if you were to do something and you sort of fail, and what do you do in those sort of situations? That was clearly something just went adrift, but where did it go adrift? What did I do wrong? And with the amount of mistakes these things make, you really start to scratch your head, don't you? Anyway, I just thought I'd want to share this one with you because I want to get some little boards up there to keep me, on focus there. I'm broken down into 5 stages of the project. I want to break this first stage down into 5 more stages, just so we can have a little bit of more piecemeal. But that will be in the next video when we actually sort of finalise where we are in our short-term projects. Anyway, peace out, guys. Come and join the Discord community. Come and join our our Patreon tribe. Plug into all the stuff that's happening around Thailand. Again, you can always pledge something as well. Who knows? Peace out. Have fun and enjoy your day.